Several methods for installing household toilet covers. The first one is to insert one end of the expansion screw into the hole and tighten the bolt with a screwdriver. Don't tighten it too tight at first. Adjust the approximate position of the two plug rods. Then insert the cover plate. Adjust the cover plate to the appropriate position. Then press the switch and remove the cover plate. This time you can tighten the bolts, put on the decorative bag, and insert the cover plate again to complete the installation. The second method is to insert the screw into the square slider and then insert it into the slot of the cover plate. It is adjustable up and down, left and right. The same is true for the left side. Then insert it into the fixing hole on the toilet, adjust the cover plate, and then fix the nut behind the toilet. The toilet cover is installed. The third method is to open the buckle and pull out the mounting seat. Use the screw to first insert the plastic gasket into the square slider, then the rubber ring and expansion screw and nut into the base slot. The same is true for the left side. Then adjust the size and insert it into the toilet cover fixing hole. Tighten it with a screwdriver. Remember not to tighten it too tight at first. Then insert the toilet cover plate, adjust the position of the cover plate, open the buckle, and gently take it off. This time you can tighten it all at once. Insert the cover plate again and press it.